Welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change your home button haptic on your iPhone. So if you don't know what home button haptic is, it means that you can select how your home button feels and whenever you are clicking on it. So first, you want to go to settings and then scroll down until you see general and then click on it, and then after that you can see a home button section and just click on that, and then here home button haptic. You can choose how the home button feels when you press it. Select an option below and press the home button to try it out. So you have 3 options, so you can just try on that, and then to set the one you like the best, tap done. So if you already have one that you like, just click done. Then there you have it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.